Hi guys, welcome back to Jamila's Time. So today's video we're going all the way to West Africa and we're going to be making pepper soup and fufu. Without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be making the Liberian pepper soup. I'm going to be making everything the Liberian way. The ingredients we're going to need, we need some fufu, we need some okra, meat and chicken, but this you can add in fish or any other things you want to add in. Like I've seen some people add in fish, shrimps and all that. And then with the blended vegetables, I have some onions, I have pepper, garlic, and this looks a lot because I made 2 onions, but you can always make like the onions according to your own taste and according to how much soup you're going to make. Right now I'm going to cook the meat for 30 minutes. So guys, this is our soup so far. The meat has cooked, and right now I'm going to add in some seasonings. Like this is a mixture of different seasonings, and then you add in to your own flavor. I don't want to tell you like 2 spoons, 1 spoon. You just add into your own flavor. And then I add in a little bit of garlic powder. I add in some chicken masala. And some salt. I'm really liking the way the West African people cook, because like you don't need way a lot of things and everything the way we cook. So, or if you don't know, I come from Uganda, which is in East Africa. So right here I'm going to add in our like vegetable mixtures. This is pepper, the onions, and some tomatoes, and we're going to let it cook a little bit more, like for 15 minutes or something like that. So this next part I'm going to be mashing the okra. So this is how you want your okra to look like after smashing it. You can do it more, but this is the level I managed to reach. So for the fufu, you want to put just any amount of fufu, the way you want it, how much you want. I think this is enough. Yeah. So I put the fufu on low heat, and then I pour in a lot of water, just like this. Then I mingle. You want to make your fufu until it's this smooth. So our pepper soup is done, and this is how I'm going to serve it. I don't know if you guys have seen like pictures of fufu. It always looks so smooth and everything. And this is how I do it to make it smooth. So I put the okra here, and I just learned something new. The use of the okra is to make it easy for you to swallow the fufu, because they don't chew fufu, you just swallow it. So guys, this is our finished product. This is my first take of pepper soup and fufu. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe and share it if you enjoyed the video. Thank you. See you next time.